Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video on the S500 with a special appearance by Lola. Every time I do this, every time you have to come be on camera, right? Give me a kiss. Kiss. She's denied. She says denied. Okay, will you get out the car? Get out. Get down. 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 Thank you. Okay, what is the fix going to be? Well, it's an issue that is very common with lots of Mercedes. I'm going to show you how to fix it so you never get locked out of your car. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Right, it looks like snow. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Okay, let me show you what's going on. Ugh, I cannot even hardly reach this door. Okay, here we go. We're closing the door, and I want you to point your nose right here. Focus your attention on that, okay? Now, if I push my magic button to lock the door, it works. This car will lock itself, but will it unlock? Can you hear the pump going in the back? It's trying. And if you listen very closely, this is not unlocking. I just needed to go up that far. It's not unlocking at all. This is a common problem, and it wouldn't be a huge problem if I was able to unlock the door from the outside, but I'm not. Let me show you. All right, if you know these Mercedes, you know they have kind of an infrared locking system. You have to point it here or at your trunk to get it to lock. So if I do this and I lock it, see how it shines red or what used to be red? Everything locks, okay? If I want to unlock it, nope, nothing. Do you see that one? That one unlocked. So well, the next move is to go ahead and put your key in the door and unlock it. But look, I can't. Something has fallen down in this lock right here. So we have two issues that we need to solve with one video. Why this will not unlock and what the heck has happened inside this actual mechanical lock right here. I can't get my key in or out. That could be a problem. What I have to do as I'm driving my car, and I keep all of my very expensive jewelry in here. I'm kidding you. I have to reach in from the back door and unlock the front door. And then I close this, get out of the car, and I get in. How long have I been doing this? At least 6 months. Yeah, this is a fix that is long overdue. So let's remove the door card and we'll show you what's going on. We have achieved separation. Yep, okay, that's what we're dealing with right there. This is the door card, and to remove this, okay, you have the little surround that goes here and a little Phillips screw. Then you got a bigger Phillips screw here. 1, 2. This part pops out. 3, 4 up there. There it is, see, 4. And then usually there's a little screw behind here. There wasn't in my case. So this part usually pops out, and there's a little screw right there. Then you just carefully pop it off without breaking each and every little plastic holder on the freaking door. So I've got some gluing to do. You got to put all those little plastic holders on because that's what holds the bottom of the door card to the door. So then we come over here, and there's a little plastic cover here. Remove a little torque screw. This pops out, and something, a piece of metal literally just fell out. Whatever was keeping the key from going in there, it broke and it came out. And so now I think it's going to work. Okay, I can remove this, but I'm working on my actuator right here, the vacuum right here. So once we get this out, I'll show you what's going on, because this is going to be fun. That's going to be the fun part. All right, let me show you. This is the offending unit right here, and this is a temporary fix, okay? Basically, it comes in half. See how it's kind of released itself? Those little tabs right there, they get brittle and they break, and there's a little rubber diaphragm inside there. So when you apply vacuum right here to this little hole right here, this unit kind of comes down and it locks your door. Okay, to finish the actual repair procedure, you get to fish this thing back up. It's held on by one screw. It goes right here. You have electrical connector, that goes right there. Okay, so you basically unplug the vacuum, reach your hand all the way up under here, unplug the electrical connector, which is this right here, and then you got to fish this all the way out. Okay, it connects right up here where your doorknob sits. Okay, there's a little, see the hole right there? Yeah, there's a little lever that it attaches to. See if I can get it in there. Right in there. It attaches through there. Come on. Yeah, right down through here. There it is right there. Okay, it attaches right there, and then that little lever pulls through. Okay, and then there's a little plastic retainer that kind of holds it on. It's fun to get to. Let me tell you, it is so much fun to get to. So we're going to fish this back up. The part itself is like $30 or $40 from Mercedes. And I'm going to order a new one of these. But I just wanted a temporary fix. Don't look. Okay, I've just showed you my thumbnail. I'm sorry. Anyway, we'll get this back in and get it going. Well, how much fun was that? Yeah. Blink if you loved it. She didn't blink. Not at all. Okay. Yeah, this is so much fun. Let me show you what's going on here. Okay, that's the connector right there. See the little white piece? And the rod that comes up from the actuator goes through there, and it holds your knob here on it as well. And there's a little white cap that you have to push towards the front of the car to lock the rod into place. Okay, like any kind of a lever you see on a Mercedes. It is so easy to get to. Yeah, I'm bleeding, and I'm crying, and everything else. But anyway, we've got it buttoned up. So what we're going to try now is see if it works. We're going to start the car and see what happens. I just need a key. Where's my effing key? Keys, please. All right, we have the car on, and we're going to very carefully close the door. Okay. Now watch your eyes on this. I'm going to push the button over here and see what happens. It's always locked. Will it unlock? Ha ha! Success, Lola, success! We've done it! Let's do it again. Lock. Lock. And so we fixed it for free. 2 zip ties, fix the actuator until the new one comes in. I tell you what, I'm loving it. I'm like McDonald's. I'm loving it. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, with minimal blood loss, we have fixed our situation. All right, you'll notice it is up. Can you see it kind of through the window? I should have rolled down the window. Watch this. There it goes. It is locked as Lola runs around the neighborhood and coming back up. There it is. Everything is back together and it is working. Terrible camera work, but it is working perfectly. The S500 lives to see another day. You know, people ask me why I work on these Mercedes. Lola, okay. Once again, why I work on these Mercedes, I don't know. They drive you crazy. They're way overcomplicated, way too engineered, but way too much fun to drive. So with that, we have ended another video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we're back with another one very, very soon. I'm trying to hold my neck up. I'm holding my neck up here. Here we go. Say bye, Lola. Bye. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.